So hi, I'm Sudipto and I'll be presenting my work which is accelerating data stream operations using network processors. Now, we've seen that recently the research in the field of data streams has grown significantly. Now, what actually is data stream? It's a time series data which is coming in as a stream, and you don't really store the data. You have a particular data point, you take it, process it, and then you throw away the data point, and you just store an aggregate of the data point, what you have just seen. It's not anything about static data. You have the data streaming in, and all you have is kind of a summary of the data and not the entire data itself. So this is what data stream is. And with the various streaming applications which are coming in, like real-time applications, like network processor, like in the network, the routers, web traffic, click fraud, all these applications require a lot of data stream processing and are using the various data stream applications. And research in this area has been a thrust in the last few years. Now, the recent trend has been to use specialized hardware for these kind of data stream operations. Now, what do you mean by specialized hardware? Hardware that is not specialized for data stream operations, but which are specialized for other commodity operations and can be used for solving different data stream problems. And this is what we have been discussing about using commodity hardware like graphics processors. And I'll be talking about network processors. There have been people who are using like various parallel architectures like cell processors and chip multiprocessors for accelerating the various data stream operations. And my research is more directed towards using a hardware platform called network processors to accelerate the various data stream operations. Now, in this figure, we'll see a very high-level view of what a network processing unit is. And the most important thing which I'd like to point is the middle cluster. And here you can see each of the individual clusters, and each of them are individual processing units that can act in parallel. And then they share various resources amongst themselves. And we are trying to use this very highly parallel architecture to parallelize the various data stream operations. And there is a type of memory called a tertiary content addressable memory, which has a constant time lookup as well. So we are trying to explore a combination of these two things to see how we can parallelize the data stream operations and how we can use the specialized hardware to accelerate the operations and see how the things can be done in a faster way. And this is it.
How long was that?
256.
Okay. Leave this.